Hello everyone, myself Mahipal Parekh. I am a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. So this is my task third. Firstly, let's see the problem statement, which is to perform exploratory data analysis on the provided dataset SampleSuperstore. As a business manager, try to find out the weak areas where you can work to make more profit. What all business problems you can derive by exploring the data. So let's begin. Firstly, I imported all the required libraries, which are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Pandas and NumPy for the data manipulation part and Matplotlib for the data visualization part. Then I started reading the data with the help of Pandas from the dataset, and the link of dataset is given over here. You can check this out. Then I also displayed the data to get all the columns. Then I started dropping the unnecessary column. The unnecessary columns are those which are not related to profit. As you can see in the problem statement, it is given that try to find out the weak areas where you can work to make more profit. So I just drop all the columns which are not related to profit. Then I started plotting graph, basically distribution plots of each column in the given data set, which are ship model, segment, postal code, category, discount, and numbers. Then I started plotting graphs related to sales. Means I plot a graph in between sales by region. I first calculate the region. I got all the regions over here. Then I got the particular sale for the particular region. Just like Central has 2323 and etc. Then I plot a graph in between them. It's like this. Then I plot a graph in between sales by profit. Here's the profit and here's the sales. Then I plot a graph. Then sales by category, then sales by ship model, sales by segment. Then I started plotting graphs with quantity. As you can see that sales makes profit, quantity makes profit. These are the two factors which are going to give me profit as a business manager. So these are the problems I can use as a business manager to make more profit. So distribution of quantity versus sale. The quantity versus sale, that I plot a graph in between quantity versus sale. As if quantity increases as well as sale increases, it will be profit for me. And then I started plotting a graph in between discount versus sale, then discount versus profit, and that's what we want. Thank you.